my bike if I can.
She definitely heard her.
You hit a car, so you might be angry.
Well, I know at that point.
Red light!
Stop it. So, 1 AM. And 3 AM, that's it. That's if it rains. It says 40% chance. But you would say that though, wouldn't you? You'd want it coming down, wouldn't you? But then I would have took a picture. Wouldn't you have took a picture of it?
Press quick save on that.
I've done it. Oh my god!
Stop driving like on the bike, you spin!
Stop! Stop, Eddie!
Stop growing up a bit, you little.
I know we shouldn't do that. Whacking our car. Have you heard him though? Hit me.
Yeah.
I got out. What is he doing? He's going to try and wait for you. Or is he going over there? What a little tit. Come on! Look, come on! Is there a mate over there? Wigan today? What's Wigan today?
The internet site about what's going on in Wigan.